Hi friends, in this video we will discuss all the one-word substitutions asked in SSC exams from 1996 to till now. So start. Number 1. Fear of being enclosed in small closed space. Claustrophobia. 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 2. One who has become dependent on something or drugs. Addict. 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 3. Call upon God or any other power like law for help or protection. Invocation. 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 4. Severely abusive writing in journals. Scurrilous. 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 5. A person who opposes war or use of military force. Pacifist. 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 6. One not concerned with right or wrong. Amoral. 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 7. Something no longer in use. Obsolete. 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 8. Stealthily done. Within bracket, something done in a quiet and secret way in order to avoid being noticed. Surreptitious. 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 9. Words written on a tomb. Epitaph. EPITAPH. 10. A person with a long experience of any occupation. Veteran. VETERAN. 11. Something capable of being done. Feasible. FEASIBLE. 12. A person coming to a foreign land to settle there. Immigrant. IMMIGRANT. 13. Anything which is no longer in use. Obsolete. OBSOLETE. 14. A person who is unable to pay debts. Insolvent. INSOLVENT. 15. Capable of being understood in either of two or more possible senses. Ambiguous. AMBIGUOUS. 16. A short poem or speech addressed to the spectators after the conclusion of drama. Epilogue. EPILOGUE. 17. Act of deceiving somebody in order to make money. Fraud. FRAUD. 18. Flat metal or porcelain plate fixed on a wall as an ornament or memorial. Plaque. PLAQUE. 19. To cut something into two pieces. Sever. SEVER. 20. Succession of rulers belonging to one family. Dynasty. DYNASTY. 21. 21. To seize control of a vehicle in order to force it to go to a new destination or demand something. Hijack. HIJACK. 22. Lasting only for a moment. Momentary. MOMENTARY. 23. One who is indifferent to pleasure or pain. Stoic. STOIC. 24. The practice or art of choosing, cooking and eating good food. Gastronomy. GASTRONOMY. 25. Killing of a child. Infanticide. INFANTCIDE. 26. One who believes in offering equal opportunities to women in all spheres. Feminist. FEMINIST. 27. One who studies election trend by means of opinion polls. Psephologist. PSEPHOLOGIST. 28. A doctor who treats children. Pediatrician. PAEDIATRICIAN. 29. one who can think about the future with imagination and wisdom, visionary, visionary. 30. Give and receive mutually, reciprocate, reciprocate. 31. A building where an audience sits, auditorium, auditorium. 32. The first model of a new device, prototype, prototype. 33. Tough issues in joints, ligaments, ligaments. 34. The study of maps, cartography, cartography. 35. A person who breaks into houses in order to steal, burglar, burglar. 36. The study of the origin and history of words, etymology, etymology. 37. One who can walk on ropes, funambulist, funambulist. 38. Belonging to all parts of the world, cosmopolitan, cosmopolitan. 39. One who hates mankind, misanthrope, misanthrope. 40. One who goes to settle in another country, emigrant, emigrant. 41. Constant efforts to achieve something, perseverance, perseverance. 42. A person who believes in total abolition of war, pacifist, pacifist. 43. A four-footed animal, quadruped, quadruped. 44. Ready to believe anything, credulous, credulous. 45. That which lasts for a short time, transitory, transitory. 46. Indifference to pleasure or pain, stoicism, stoicism. 47. A body of persons appointed to hear evidence or judge and give their verdict, jury, jury. 48. The essential or characteristic customs, habits and conventions of a society or community, mores, mores. 49. A system of government in which only one political party is allowed to function, totalitarianism, totalitarianism. 50. One who collects coins, numismatist, numismatist. 51. Violation of something holy or sacred, sacrilege, sacrilege. 52. A broad road broaded with trees, boulevard, boulevard. 53. Animals who live in herds, gregarious, gregarious. 54. The murder of parents or near relative, parricide, parricide. 55. A mild or indirect expression substituted for an offensive or harsh one, euphemism, euphemism. 56. One who believes in no government and therefore incites disorder in a state, anarchist, anarchist. 57. One who secretly listens to talks of others, eavesdropper, eavesdropper. 58. Signs of diseases, pathology, pathology. 59. One who is beyond reforms, incorrigible, incorrigible. 60. Concluding part of a literary work, epilogue, epilogue. 61. The act of killing whole group of people, especially a whole race, genocide, genocide. 62. One who stays away from school or work without permission, truant, truant. 63. A person without training or experience in a skill or subject, novice, novice. 64. Dissection of a dead body to find the cause of the death, autopsy, autopsy. 65. The study of religion and religious ideas and beliefs, theology, theology. 66. One who is indifferent to pain and pleasure, stoic, stoic. 67. A place where Jews worship according to their religion, synagogue, synagogue. 68. An area of land that is controlled by a ruler, dominion, dominion. 69. One who is greedy, voracious, voracious. 70. Simple, fast spreading plant without flowers or leaves, which can often cause disease, fungus, fungus. 71. Dry weather with no rainfall, drought, drought. 72. Too much official formality, red tapism, redtapism. 73. Living together of a man and woman without being married to each other, concubinage, concubinage. 74. A place where government public records are kept, archive, archive. 75. A place where all religions are honored, secular, secular. 76. Excessive preoccupation with one's health, hypochondriac, hypochondriac. 77. Without risk of punishment, impunity, impunity. 78. Deep in thought, pensive, pensive. 79. A jocular person who is full of amusing anecdotes, wag, wag. 80. A shy look that is lustful, leer. 81. Irresistible craving for alcoholic drinks, dipsomania, dipsomania. 82. A hater of mankind, misanthrope, misanthrope. 83. A remedy for all diseases, panacea, panacea. 84. Something that is poisonous and unhealthy, toxic, toxic. 85. The worship of idols and or images, idolatry, idolatry. 86. A place where nuns live and work, convent, convent. 87. Violation of something holy and sacred, sacrilege, sacrilege. 88. One who destroys images or attacks popular beliefs, iconoclast, iconoclast. 89. Feeding on food made of both plant and flesh, omnivorous, omnivorous. 90. A woman having more than one husband at the same time, polyandry, polyandry. 91. A den for small animals, hutch, hutch. 92. To take back, withdraw or renounce, recant, recant. 93. The habit of always admiring oneself, narcissism, narcissism. 94. One who intervenes between two or more parties to settle difference, intermediary, intermediary. 95. One who deserts his principle or beliefs, renegade, renegade. 96. Property handed down after the death of a person, inheritance, inheritance. 97. One who breaks the established traditions and image, iconoclast, iconoclast. 98. One who believes that gaining pleasure is the most important thing in life, hedonist, hedonist. 99. Building in which a dead body is kept for a time, mortuary, mortuary. 100. Experts in the scientific study of birds, ornithology, ornithology. In the next video we will discuss from 101 to 200.